Good afternoon, Standard 10 students. So, in chapter 12, there are three forms of equation of a straight line. One, already I have explained you, y is equal to mx plus c, that you have studied in standard 9 also. First, y is equal to mx plus c. Right. This is known as slope and y-intercept form. Slope is m, y-intercept is c. Now what is the use of this slope and y-intercept form? When we have to find the slope of any given equation, a straight line. Any given straight line we have to find the slope, then we use this y is equal to mx plus c. Second, when slope and y-intercept are given, then to find the equation of a straight line we use this. These are the two ways to use this y is equal to mx plus c, first form of equation of a straight line. Now, second form, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. In any equation you will write, when you will write any equation of a straight line, there will be two variables, x and y, or a, b, any terms. So x and y will be there. Then what is y1 and what is x1 and what is m? M is a slope and y is a point. When slope and one point is given, then to find the equation of a line, a straight line, we use this second form. Right? Once again, x and y will be there in each and every equation of a straight line, two variables. Then what is this x1 and y1 and what is m? M is the slope, x1 and y1 is a point. So when one point and slope are given, we can use this second form of the equation of line to find the equation of a given straight line. See here, let point coordinate given 1 minus 2 and slope given m given 3 by 2. Find the equation of line. So here m is given 3 by 2, one coordinate, or we can say the one point given 1 minus 2. We can use the second form of equation of line to find the equation of a straight line. So this is x1 y1. Right? So second equation, y minus 2, m is 3 by 2, x minus 1. So y plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2, x minus 1. So 2y plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3. So 3x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line when one point and slope are given. So this is the second form equation of line. Now, another form, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, yx2 minus x1, x minus x1. This is the third form of the equation of line. When we will use this third form, so x and y will be there in each and every equation of a straight line. Then what is the x1 y1 and x2 y2? x1 y1 and x2 y2, the 2 point or 2 coordinate. When 2 points or 2 coordinates are given, we can use this form directly to find the equation of the line. Say example, a coordinate 1 minus 2, b coordinate 3 0. Find the equation of a line. Get clear? Find the equation of line. So 2 coordinate is already given. We can use the third form to find the equation of the line. So any one we can suppose x1 y1, any one we can suppose x2 y2. Let us, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 by 2. So y minus minus 2, y2 0 minus minus 2 by x2 3 minus 1 x minus 1. So y plus 2 by 2 x minus 1. Cancel. Y plus 2 is equal to x minus 1, or we can write x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line when two coordinates are given. So these are the three forms on which you have to solve the questions of this chapter. Take some more questions. See question number 19. P 5 1 and Q 1 minus 1 and R 11 4 are collinear. Three coordinates are given and we have to show that it is collinear. What we will do, by taking any of the two coordinate, first we will find out the equation of a line, and after finding the equation of a line, we will, in that equation we will put the third coordinate and we will see whether it is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied, then it is collinear. Not satisfied, then it is not collinear. So take first two. If I am going to take first two, say it is x1 by 1 and this is x2 by 2. From these two, find out the equation of line by using the third form of the equation. X y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. So y1 is minus 1, y2 is minus 1 and this is minus 1, y1 by x2 is y2 is minus 1, y1 is minus 1. x2 is 1, x1 is 5, x minus 5. It y1 means minus 1, y2 means minus 1, y1 means minus 1. By x2 is 1, y1 is minus 1. So y minus 1 minus 2y minus 4, x minus 5, this cancel 2. So y minus 1 is equal to x minus 5 by 2. Do the cross multiplication. 2y minus 2 is equal to x minus 5. So x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line passing through 2 points P and Q. Now we have to show that P, Q, R are collinear. Now by taking two coordinates, first we have got the equation of a straight line. Now in this equation of a straight line, we will put the third coordinate and we will see whether it is satisfied or not. Satisfy means put the value. X is 11, 2 into y is 4 minus 3. 11 minus 8 minus 3. 11 minus 11. Is it equal to 0 or not? It is coming equal to 0. So when it is coming equal to 0, after putting the third value of r, third coordinate in the equation, it means it satisfies the equation. satisfy the equation means it is collinear. Hence, we can say that PQR is a collinear. Find the equation of a line which passes through point -2, 3 and having x-intercept 4 units. Having x-intercept 4 units means what? The line cuts the x-axis, that is equal to 4. Now when it cut by x-axis means their y-coordinate will be 0. So another point we have 4, x-coordinate 4, but y-coordinate will be 0. By using these two coordinate points, by using the third form y minus y1, y minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1, take this one x1 y1 and just take x2 y2, put the value and find out the equation. This is the way to solve this exercise by using the 3 different form of equation of line. In next video I will solve some more question. Thank you very much.